But I knew it was serious when they told me, okay, we have to cut you out of the car. My name is Alicia Harris, and I am from Greenville, South Carolina. What happened with the accident was we were switching lanes, and in hindsight, I saw this, out of my peripheral, I saw this white truck in this parking lot. So I didn't pay it any mind. Then the next thing I know, when we switched lanes, boom. And I was just like, oh my God. Because it hit right on my side. I was the passenger. And then right when we got, I guess you could say, T-boned, the glass shattered on me, cut me a little bit. They had to cut me out of the car. They had to put me on the stretcher because I could not walk, because I couldn't step down on my right leg. It was too much pain and pressure. As far as the leg that stemmed from the back pain, it was some disc bulges in like the L4 area, L5 to S1 area. And, they were concerned about the pinching of the sciatic nerve, which that pain was increased from the accident. And then on my shoulder, some inflammation of the rotator cuff, and my labrum was fraying. Those were my initial injuries. And then, of course, a couple of days later, it's like the back pain increased, which made the leg pain increase, and then as well as the shoulder pain. Because, after the adrenaline calms down, it's like you feel everything at that point. So before hiring Armada, I was just in a place mentally just trying to grasp everything. Like, okay, we just got in an accident. The lady didn't have any insurance. So in my mind, what do I do now? Who's the best lawyer I could find at this point? And then I was scrolling on my phone, and I was on Facebook, and I saw you guys' name, and I said, let me check out the website. And I did, and I said, this might be the right place to go to. Something just told me that you guys were the perfect people to come to. The most frustrating thing about dealing with the insurance company is I'm hurt, and now I have to have surgery, and you guys are still giving us a hard time. Like, come on. Like, I get it's your job, but at the same time, understand the situation, because if the roles were reversed, then how would you feel? Armada fought for me, and they got me the care that I needed. The unique thing about you guys is the communication. I hear a lot from people who have lawsuits and cases and stuff that they don't really talk to their lawyers or their legal team a lot. And I can't say that I had that experience, because you guys have been communicating with me very well. So I really appreciate that. That's the unique side of it. So yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10, and I'd recommend anybody to Armada Law.